Is this from somebody in particular?
Yes.
From the big M? The big green M? Mueller? Is it from Mueller?
The Tekamo guys showed up in my shop today and brought me something. Here, we're gonna check it out, see what it is. I have no idea what it is yet.
So we're gonna check it out.
I don't know what it is. This is a surprise to me, surprise to everybody here.
Take a look inside and see what we got here. Yo, look at that yellow ass fucking hammer.
Haha. It is the big Chooch.
Limited edition Tekamo HD version. Holy crap.
The big Choochy Vibro Impact. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
It's a limited edition collab, Tekamo yellow. It even says Big Chooch on the side.
Oh, Tekamo branded too? This is the one that I think you have to have on every service truck.
Nice. Custom handle, Tekamo HD. This is awesome. This whole thing is custom.
It's got the big Chooch on it. Tekamo HD on it. Look at that.
It even says Tekamo HD on the handle. Ah, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's sweet, boys. We got the big Chooch. It even has it lasered in.
You know what? It's a really handy tool for us because we get asked a lot about it, and it's a really awesome tool to have in your arsenal. And it sure beats swinging a sledge when you're under a machine. It is essential.
There we go. Oh yeah. On the extra long one, look at that. It's long enough to push that entire pin out.
I will say that's the one thing I love about this, the hex spline that all the chisels fit into. Your chisel bit will stay flat, won't rotate at all in it. And with that, you get so much control out of it.
In the yard right now, I have a 60 that Jake is working on. I think he's got one old track to remove still and one new track to put on.
I think we're gonna give this thing a shot. I got a set of old tracks over in the side of the yard. We're gonna see if we can get this thing to pop a pin or two. That's the original. This is the limited. Only available at Fortis HD. Whew. All right. Ah, there it is. Just for context, this is a set of rails off an EX60-5. I believe they're original rails, so they're not the newest. So this pin is probably pretty tight in there. So what we're gonna do is take the torch with the rosebud and we're gonna heat the link up. So we're gonna be heating the outside surface of this track link, trying to avoid hitting the pin itself as much as possible. So what we're trying to do is get the track link to expand a little bit while keeping the pin as cold as we can so it doesn't expand with the link. Alrighty, let's see what she can do. Bowie, easy money. With a little heat, this thing definitely popped that pin, and it took it from a two-man job to a one-man job because I would need someone holding a pin punch with me on the hammer. So I'll lift this up a little bit. The way we split the track is I just took my torch out and cut the link right in half. When you're doing a complete undercarriage replacement, and that includes rails, pads, the whole works, it's just a lot less time consuming to torch the track and kick it to the curb than it is to, you know, split the track. But if I'm doing, let's say, sprockets or an idler or a track adjuster on a 60, probably even an 80, I'm bringing this every single time. The Big Chooch limited edition, the yellow one, is by definition limited edition. Once it's gone, guys, it's gone. So if you want to get your hands on one, set by them right now, because when they're gone, they're gone.
I already did my shameless plug. You only get one. You only get one shameless plug for telling them to go to fortishd.com to purchase this. It's in limited quantities only, so get it now while it's get it while the getting's good. But I'm not gonna do that plug ever again, so good luck. Too bad. Thanks, Mueller, for doing this. It's really cool to be working with them doing this kind of stuff, and we appreciate somebody taking a chance on us and working with us. and repping their product. Yeah, I just want to thank those guys, definitely. So support us, support them. Limited quantities, so if you want the yellow one, buy now. What other plugs do you want? I got a plug for you.